So a quick update down the allotment. You probably saw we got the polytunnel, got the archway that's up there. Didn't do too much videoing of it. Yeah, so if that's that's the south, that's the west. So the sun's going to be majority around here, isn't it?
Yeah, I would say so. Comes up in the south, does it? Is that the theory?
Well, you get the most sunlight in the south and west, don't you?
South facing.
So I assume it comes up north there,
South facing,
and then it works its way around here, and then dies down over there.
Yeah.
Which would make sense. So yeah, so if we get that up, and then I can, and necessarily get on, we might be able to dig that up a bit, I suppose.
Yeah, I would turn that over so it looks, you want to bury all that stuff under the soil. Really.
Yeah.
See, these have got to be stuck together somehow. How are they stuck together?
With them plastic clips.
Oh, I know that. I mean, what they look like.
A little bit, but not too bad, is it? That's cock. I was thinking about the polytunnel, whether to have a path just in the middle.
Oh, I don't know, mate. Well, see how you go.
I can make use of the edges and the rear, and just have a path going up in the middle, thin path in the middle.
Yeah, could do, I suppose. Yeah, I had a path down the middle of my greenhouse, so yeah, you can have tomatoes one side and all the other rubbish and other cucumbers or whatever the other side.
Yeah.
Oh, instead of a cricket. You were doing all right.
I thought there would be more people down here today.
Yeah, oh, we've done all right. 072. Oh, so Duckett's got 100.
So a quick update down the allotment. You probably saw we got the polytunnel, got the archway that's up there. Didn't do too much videoing of it, unfortunately, but it's fairly straightforward, to be honest. So back down in the polytunnel, I'm just going to dig all this up now. I think I'm going to put a path in the middle, a very thin path in the middle, and then I'm probably going to do here. I'm going to do be like a little potting area, I think, and then yeah, so I'm going to carry path in the middle, dig around here, so it'll be a big like U shape around here, That's going to be the plan. So that's going to be the plan for that. And then what I've worked out is somebody made a comment, a good comment actually, about the sun. And the sun actually starts over there in the morning, goes around here, and then will fade away here. So this is south. Where I'm pointing the camera now, that's south. So in the polytunnel, south, I'll probably put my tomatoes and cucumbers along here because they'll get a lot of the heat, south and west, and my chili peppers there, and then later on I can put maybe some lettuce in that, which will be slightly protected from there. They don't need that much sunlight. So that's the plan there. So I've got this. So this will be where my brassicas are going to go. So I'll put my Brussels are going to go there, and then over there I've not planted anything. I was just seeing how it's stretched. It actually does the whole bed, which is good. But yeah, I've got one of those. I've got another one. I've got two of those green arches. I'll probably get a couple more. They're quite good. And then I need to get rid of some of this rubbish. You'll probably soon realise I'm not messy. I like things to be quite tidy. So some allotments, and I've got no problems with allotments being messy. There's quite a few around here, but for me that's just not how I do things. I like things to be a bit more organised. You never know, I might get converted. But we'll see how we go. So I'm going to basically carry on digging this bit up, and then I'll bring you back for a final update when I've finished. Exhausted. Why spend money on a gym membership? You get an allotment which is probably less than £100 a year, or maybe more, maybe slightly more a year depending where you are in the country, but you get cardio and the other one, workout, in a short space of time. So this is what I've done. So I've dug in the compost that I had, and I've basically left this pathway here, left that there for a table. I left that little bit there as well for no man's land. I'll probably put some tools there, to be honest with you, because my luxury shed is a bit small. Yeah, so I'm going to go and get some wood chip now and just put it along the pathway and there, I think, just to define it, finish it off so I feel like I've achieved something. And then I'll see what the time is and I may call that a day. Might take some of this stuff down the dump actually. Get rid of that cardboard, some of that plastic. Put some of those bottles on them canes. I thought I'd be a bit environmental and recycle, but then my dad made a good point saying that when we get big gusts of winds, then bottles are going to fly off somewhere. So that's probably not as environmental as I hope to be actually. So might need to rethink that. But let's see how long they last anyway. Right, I'll bring you back once I finish this. Right, I'm pretty chuffed with this. That's the pathway. Halfway there. And then yeah, so happy with that. That's going to be good. So I'm just going to dig all this over with. I could put another bag of some more stuff on here, but I'll do it the next time. I'm going to tidy up a little bit now. Might dig out one of the other beds out there, but it's been pretty good today. Got a lot done. Pretty chuffed with that. Let them around this bit easier now. I'm going to keep some of these vents open. I think quite a lot of condensation in here, which is, so what I don't want to get is what some people say, you get a lot of mildew inside and mould and stuff. So I'm going to keep two of these vents open just to let some air come in. while I've got the door shut, because obviously the edges of this polyton are dug in, so there's no air technically coming in it at all, apart from a bit that's coming around here, which isn't that much. So yeah, so I'll keep one of these, two of the vents open, just get some air flowing through it. And it hasn't got a rear door, which you're not getting that through flow, which is a bit different. So yeah, that's it looking from the outside. So yeah, pretty chuffed. So that's going to be, obviously I can walk there, I can plant stuff either side there, here, probably put a table there, here, I've got spades, got some tools there for the moment. Path here. But yeah, I think I'm going to do a bit of a tidy up here now. Take that down the dump, do a bit of a tidy up, and then make a move. So yeah, that's the allotment. So jobs for the day done. Vegetable cage is up, it's good. Tested that out, that works. That takes the full length of the bed, which is good, and I've tidied that up a lot. So pretty chuffed with the progress today. So yeah, please, if you enjoy these videos, obviously subscribe, give a thumbs up, continue commenting. I've had a few comments which have been really good and beneficial, so keep them coming along, and we'll catch up during the next update. Cheers now.